Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I have my December Petit Vour box unboxing to share with you guys. I am looking a little disheveled, and I'm in a hoodie, which is not usually my jam. But I have been sick for a week. Austin and his mom both got the flu. I had a terrible cold. His grandma had a cold. We're all just terribly sick in this house right now. We missed Christmas. It's been a mess. So I wanted to go ahead and get a couple of videos that I've been meaning to film but have been just too sick to get around to done and posted, so that way I can just have them out there. And also I've been posting on my blog a lot more, so go ahead and check out that link in the description box below. It's Amandaphenomenon.com. Check that out. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the Petit Vour box for December. The packaging has changed. It used to be like a pale pink, and now it is this craft cardstock type finish. And then inside, there's a new design. Be bold, be kind. What does the small print say? Your cruelty-free beauty obsession starts here. And if you guys can hear any background noise, Austin's grandma is on the phone downstairs. And you know how old people yell through the phone instead of talking. So just a heads up. So here is the card for this month. It's cute, but it's just not. I'm looking at some of the ones I have hanging up on a corkboard over there because I'm in my office. I don't know. I'm not sure I like this design as much as I like some of the previous designs, but it's not terrible. And it looks like this month we have gotten 5 products. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. I did kind of open this one already. And this is from Han Skin Care Cosmetics. So this is a concealer. It retails for $18. A creamy, nourishing concealer that improves uneven skin tone, conceals dark circles, reduces redness, and lifts signs of fatigue with argan oil, shea butter, green tea, and vitamin E. 0.38 ounces. So here is the packaging. If it will focus. It might not focus. I don't know what's going on with the camera. And they sent me the color. Oh no, it ripped off. Let me look and see if it's on the tube. Fair. So I swatched this against my hand and it seemed to be okay. But we'll have to see how it actually works on my skin. Because I feel like looking at it in the tube, it feels too dark for me. But we'll see. It may blend out nicely. And yeah. I'm really curious to see how this works. It doesn't really have any discernible fragrance, which I love, and yeah, it's one of those things, you just gotta use it and see if it works for you. So next I have Amandaphenonon bath oil. Excuse me. And this retails for $13 for 15 milliliters. Super concentrated and easily absorbed, this bath and shower oil made with organic essential oils will become your go-to. Add half a capful to your bath or massage into your skin while in the shower. So here's the little tub. I actually haven't opened this one yet, so let's go ahead and do that. Oh, so I feel like that is a generous sampling, especially if you only need half a capful. Like, this will last a long time, so very interesting. It smells good. My sniffer is a little bit out of commission, so I can't really pinpoint exactly what that scent is, but it's pretty good. I like it. I can't wait to use it and see if it really makes you feel silky and wonderful. The next product we have is from Fifth Dimension. Sub Rosa Serum, $9, and for 7 milliliters. Refresh and replenish your skin's complexion with a blend of high concentrated antioxidant and omega fatty acid oils infused with rose petals. Apply a few drops to hydrate, soften, regulate oil production, and soothe inflammation. Here's the box. Let's take it out. I haven't opened this one either. I really just opened that concealer. It feels, the bottle itself, a little slick, as if some of it got out. And it does not appear as though the lid is all the way down, so I wouldn't be surprised if some did. Doesn't seem like it closes all the way. So that's fantastic. Yeah. I think I got like a broken one. Yeah, my fingers are already oily, so don't love that. Clearly the packaging's an issue because this little lid is not working, but aside from that, I guess I'll have to use this on my skin and see how it actually works, because with it having rose in it, it is a little concerning that perhaps the fragrance will not be so calming for the skin. I haven't historically had any reactions to rose, but once again, you don't want fragrance in skincare, so that's that. Next we have, this is a squishy bottle. That's fun. This is from Evolve H. Yeah. Or Evolve and then the H is silent, I guess. Ultimate Styling Lotion for $11. And it's for 2 ounces. So this 5-in-1 botanical formula truly does everything, creates volume. Don't need volume. My hair just goes all over the place on its own. Holds style, defrizzes. Defrizz I can use. And defines curls with smooth ringlets. Apply this lightweight lotion to damp or dry hair. So this will be interesting. My hair is finicky. There are very few products my hair responds well to, so I'm very curious to see how this will work. Then the last item, we have this little baggie here, and it's from Highborn. Yes, Highborn Defume. I don't know. Yeah, anointing oil, $7 for 2 milliliters. This ritual roller ball with cleanse and clear. Will cleanse and clear. I'm losing my mind. Will cleanse and clear your mind. So maybe I need this if I'm losing my mind. Infused with Palo Santo and sustainably sourced organic essential oils, Reiki charged crystals, and high vibes, the smokeless blessing will help deepen your self-care regimen. Okay. That sounds like all kinds of frou-frou stuff to say it's going to relax you or something. So in this little baggie we have the teeny tiny little oil. There is a crystal in there in the bottle. And then there's also this little teeny tiny, what is that, tourmaline? Yeah. Black tourmaline. Serves as a protector. And then quartz is inside the bottle to amplify goodness. So it came with a pebble. No, I'm sure black tourmaline does have wonderful healing powers. But it's like this big. I can't keep that in the house. The cat's going to get that and try and eat it. So it's kind of unfortunate, but whatever. This does smell really nice. Very nice relaxing scent. It's actually what I could use right now. Oh, it does smell really nice. So I mean, that's cool. It's whatever. I have essential oils. I could have blended something together myself to make some sort of nice relaxing combination and stuck one of the crystals I already own next to my nightstand or something. I don't know. This I can do without. I'll use it, but it's nothing that's super exciting. So overall, this box is a little, I don't know. A lot of the items in here are things where it's like, well, I'll have to wait and see. I'm not really immediately excited about any of them. I'm not excited that the one product leaked. And, I mean, I am excited to try this in the bath. This, I'm going to get one use out of before I really know if it works or not. It probably won't. Most things don't for me, but we'll see. And then I have to really try this on my face to see if it works. So that is the December box. Overall, I don't know. Somewhere in between feeling on it. It's alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing video in my hoodie with my sick voice and coughing. And if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button underneath this video, and otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.